Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we have statements that we split into P, a premise, and Q, a conclusion. So here, the premise is wash the boss's car. The conclusion is get promoted. So we are writing it if Q, then P. If the conclusion, then a premise P has already happened. So the statement, according to that logic, would be if you get promoted, then you washed the boss's car. All right. Okay. So if the conclusion has already happened, then there was a premise. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The next one is there's a spring thaw for the premise. The conclusion is wind from the south. So here the statement using if K, then P would be if the winds is from the south, then there would be a spring thaw. Right. So if the conclusion has already happened, then there was a premise. All right. Let's go to the next one. The next one is the premise you bought your computer less than a year ago. Then the conclusion, the warranty is good. So here, writing it in the form of if K, then P would be if okay, here we'll change the premise and make the premise the warranty is good. The conclusion is you bought your computer less than a year ago. So here it would read if you bought your computer a year ago, then the warranty is good. Okay. All right. So here, if the conclusion, then the premise has already happened. Let's go to the next one that says the premise as Willie cheats, and the conclusion is Willie got caught. So here the premise would be Willie got caught. Then the conclusion would be Willie cheats. So that we can write it as if Willie cheats and P escort. Okay, so let's go to the next one. It has the premise as you pay your subscription fee, and the conclusion is that you can access the website. So here we can write it as if you can access the website, then you pay the subscription fee. Okay, so that is the logic. Let's go to the next one. The next one is the premise as gets elected in the conclusion as knowing the right people. So here we can write it in the form of if K, then P as if you know the right people, then you get elected. You get elected. All right. So this is how we can write this in a form of if K then P. All right. Let's go to the last one. The last one is Carol gets seasick, and the conclusion is Carol gets on the boat. So here we can write it in a form of if K then P as if Carol gets on the boat, then she gets seasick. All right. So this is all for the day. Thanks for your time.